Hello, it's Justin Woodall, your trusted Athens real estate advisor. Today, I just want to talk to you a little bit about the state of the market that we're in and what we're seeing in regards to inventory and sales and prices, what's happening in the market. I'm sure you've probably heard the real estate market's kind of going crazy, prices are rising. That's very true, and I want to kind of break that down and make it a little more real for you and give you some real numbers to go along with that. And when I say this, when we say the market is going nuts and prices are rising, that pertains mostly to your average price point, your median price points. As you go higher in price, those homes aren't selling quite as quickly. Prices aren't rising quite as quickly, just simply because there's not quite the demand for the more luxury homes, the more higher end homes. But in the average price range, median price range, which I'm going to kind of focus on today, the market is really going gangbusters. So just to give you some examples of that, take East Athens for example. Under $200,000 in East Athens right now. That goes from Winterville all the way to Barnett Shoals Road. That whole side of East Athens, there are only 31 homes currently for sale under $200,000, and that's single family homes. And in the last 12 months, 293 homes sold. So you got 293 selling in a year, only 31 available. That's only a little over 1 month supply. That means if nobody lists their home in the next 6 weeks, all the homes that are currently on the market theoretically would be sold, would be gone. So what's happened is that's a shortage. And when you think about basic economics, you think about supply and demand. And supply is very low, not much for sale, and the demand is there. Buyers want to buy, the economy's doing well, people are making money, and interest rates are good. So they want to buy, there's not enough supply, and what that does is it makes prices rise. So prices in that category are on the way up. Give you a couple other areas, just for example, West Athens. In West Athens right now there are only 27 homes available under $200,000. And guys, that's all price or all age ranges. Some of those are old, some of those are new, some of those are larger, some are smaller. All categories of homes, single family homes, there's only 27 available in all of West Athens. And in the last 12 months, 238 sold. So again, you've got a high demand and low supply, which is causing prices to rise. Oconee County, under $200,000. There's only 11 homes available, and 84 sold in the last 12 months. So again, about a month and a half worth of inventory. And I honestly think there would be more sales in the last 12 months in Oconee County, that price range, if there were more available. So inventory being low is almost kind of stifling sales a little bit, but it's definitely making prices rise. So just wanted to kind of update you. If you've thought about selling your house, it's a great time to sell. This is the best time to sell in the last 10 years for sure, and maybe even ever on the average and median price point homes. So if you want to find out your category of what your absorption rate looks like, how much supply is on the market, how much competition you have, reach out to me. I'll be glad to look into that for you. But if you thought about selling, it's a great time to sell. For buyers, it's tough. We're seeing multiple offers on some homes because inventory is low, and homes are going quick. So if you're a buyer, you got to be ready to act quick. You can't sit on the fence. When you find what you want, you got to go after it, and you got to make a good, strong offer to get it. So great time to sell. Tough on buyers right now, but if prices continue, you'd be better off to buy now than later if prices continue to rise. So I hope that's been helpful. If there's anything I can do for you, a friend, family member, coworker, let me know.